The complete English paper for November 20th has been released. Hello, dear children, welcome to your own YouTube channel. If you are a Rajasthan Board Class 12 student preparing for the English paper on November 20th, this video is special for all of you. You must watch the video in its entirety. In this video, I will provide you with a Rajasthan Board Class 12 English paper that will be available on November 20th. You will find the complete paper for the 2025-26 half-yearly examination. You will receive the complete English paper, which will be available on November 20th. You will find the complete paper with solution in this video. First, you can see the serial number and roll number. You should write the roll number in numbers here, and you can also write the roll number in words. You can also see the total number of questions in the paper. Your total number of questions is 18, and there are 4 questions in the paper. The timing for the paper is 3 hours and 15 minutes, and your total is 70. This paper is going to be for 70 marks. If you also want to score full 70 marks in the English paper on November 20th, you have to prepare well for this entire English paper. You can see the QR code on both sides of the paper. This is your Class 12th Half-Yearly Examination 2025-26, and English is a compulsory paper. English is a compulsory paper. You can see the code of the paper, 1202. This is the code for your English paper, and general instructions have been given to you. General instructions have been given to you that the candidate must write his/her roll number on the first page of the question paper. His/her roll number must be written in words and not in numbers. Each question has its mark bar marked next to it. You'll find the entire paper in this video. You'll have to watch the video until the end. First, you're given Section A. Within Section A, question number 1 is, read the passage carefully and answer the following question. This passage question is worth 8 marks. You can easily score a total of 8 marks from this passage. So, you have to read the complete passage carefully first. You have to carefully understand that hobbies are activities that we engage in over our free time. You have to read this passage carefully first. You have to read it carefully. You have to read it carefully. You have to read it slowly, and you can see that you've been given a total of 8 questions. The first question is, what are hobbies? You'll get the answer to that. The second question is, write the name of different kinds of hobbies. And the third is, are hobbies a matter of personal choice or not? And the third is, how do hobbies refresh our mind? And the fifth question is, how can hobbies help us develop our personality? And the sixth question is, how can we meet people from other countries? And find out the word from the passage that means. And the seventh question is, your free time activities in it and a happy life. So these are complete questions. You have to answer these. These are very easy questions. And after that, the second question is, read the following passage carefully and answer the question that follows. And this is your passage number 5. Okay? Tourists in Jammu and Kashmir have another attraction, a floating post office. So, this entire passage has to be read carefully. You've been given a total of 5 questions. The first question is, what is another attraction for tourists in Jammu and Kashmir? The second is, where is the floating post office built? The third is, how many rooms does the post office have? And the fourth question is, how many rooms did the post office have at the time of the float in 2014? The fifth question is, choose the word from the passage that means attraction. Okay, after that, you're given Section B. So, within Section B, question number 3 is, you are an engineer in need of a job in or around Jaipur. Write an advertisement for publication in a local newspaper. Quote. So, in this, you have to write an advertisement. And how many marks is it worth? It's 4. In this or that question is given. You have received an invitation letter from the principal and staff of Government Senior Secondary School Kota. You have to attend the annual day function on the 15th of January 2025 at 4 p.m. as the chief guest of the function. Write an informal reply accepting the invitation. In this you have to write an invitation. You can either advertise or you can invite. You have to do one of the two. Question number 4 is you are the president of the student union of your school. An NGO organizes a free eye operation camp in your school. Your principal asks you to observe the camp. Write a report. In this you have to write a report. In how many words should you write? In 100 words. And how many marks is it worth? It is worth 4 marks. In this or that question is given. Write a paragraph. In this you have to write a paragraph. You have to write an essay in 100 words. What do you want to write about? Global warming. Okay? And question number 5 is, you're Samir, living in Jodhpur. You've purchased a refrigerator from a dealer. Write a letter for its replacement. In this section, you have to write a letter. The question is given in the question section, and the letter number 5 is, write a job application for the post of college professor along with your resume. You have to write an application in this section, and this is also worth 5 marks. After that, you have section C. Section C has grammar-related questions. Question number 6 asks you to combine the following sentences using the word given in brackets. The first question is, he finished his work, he went to bed. You have to use after in this. The second is, I do not know the time the school opens then. You have to use when. After that, you have question number 7. Combine the sentences as indicated in the brackets. So, the first one is, I am sure I will finish the work. You have to use the compound verb in this. The second one is, he said his mother. He was glad. Quote. You have to use the simple verb in this. Question number 8 is, write the appropriate phrasal verb in the following sentence, forming them with the help of the verb given in brackets. The first one is, his request for transfer was. You have to use turn in this. The second one is, a student should obey the orders of his teacher. You have to use carry in this. Question number 9 is, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the brackets. The first one is, the noise was too loud for me. Hear it, quote. Which one of these will come in this? You have to tell its answer in the comment box. The second one is, the batsman, the bowlers will play. So, in this one is, age will, age, yet. So, which one of the 3 will come in this? You have to tell this in the comment box. After that is section D. Question number 10 is given in section D. Read the following passage carefully and answer the question that follows. This is worth 5 marks. First, you must read this passage carefully. You must answer all the questions in it. So, the first question here is, Rajkumar Shukla Vaz. Who was Rajkumar Shukla? He was a sharecropper, a politician, a delegate, or a landlord. The second is, Rajkumar Shukla Vaz, which is physically strong, poor, rich, and illiterate. 4 options are given for this one. Which option is correct? The third is, where did Gandhi meet Rajkumar Shukla, which includes Lucknow, Kanpur, Champaran, and Savagra Sevagram. So, you have to tell which option is correct. So, you have to answer all the questions. After that, question number 11 is a question from your book. In this, answer any of the following questions in about 60 words. You have to answer in 60 words. There is a question of 3 marks and you have to answer 1 question. Question number 12 is, answer the following question. You have to answer within 20 to 30 words. How many questions do you have to answer? Look here, there are 2 questions. You have to answer both the questions. They are of 4 marks. This question is of 2 marks. And question number 13 is given to you that explain any one of the following stanza with reference to the context. So look here, there are 2 poetry questions and you have to make a question out of both. Question number 14 is also a question from your book. Answer the following question in about 60 words. You have to answer in 60 words. Or there is a question in either, so you have to make 1 question out of the 2. And question number 15 is, answer the following question in 20 to 30 words. That means you have to answer in 20 to 30 words. You have to answer both these questions. These are worth 4 marks. That means there are 2 questions of 2 marks each, so you have to do both the questions. Question number 16 is, answer the following question in about 60 words. You have to answer in 60 words. Write a character sketch of dairy. And you have to make 1 question out of the 2. It is worth 3 marks. And question number 17 has been given to you that answer the following question in 20 to 30 words. That means you have to answer within 20 to 30 words. 2 questions are given. You have to answer one of them. After that, look, this is a 6-mark question. There are 6 multiple choice questions. Choose the correct option. The first question is, Dr. Sadao was. So, who was Dr. Sadao? He was a doctor. So, option A will be correct. The second is, what did Henna take out from the cupboard? So, it includes a knife, a revolver, a mate, and a quarter. So, which option is correct? You have to tell us this in the comment section. The third question is, how sorry who told Bama about his untouchability? So, it includes every teacher, every father, every mother, every brother. So, you have to tell us which option is correct. The fourth question is, Jit Kalasaw wanted to keep her hair. So, short, long, very short, and medium size are given. So you have to tell which option will be correct. The fifth question is, who is the writer of the story? Who is the writer of the story of the Tiger King chapter? So 4 options are given in this. Which option will be correct? You have to write this. Question number 6 is, V type of consistency in Antarctica. So in this it is coldest, windiest, driest, all of the. So 4 options are given in this also. You have to tell which option will be correct. So I have given you the complete paper of the 20th of November English in this video, and you have to prepare the entire paper well. If you like this video, then share the video as much as possible. Like the video as much as possible. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. Also press the notification bell.